What's up everybody, it's your girl Maggie here. In case you're new, karibu sana, and in case you're a returning subscriber, welcome back too. And in today's video I'm just going straight into the point. I ever vlogged last year, last year. Let me get to remove the events because I feel like I have been too much into lighting. So yep. So like I was saying, last year I showcased my one bedroom apartment tour, and maybe I thought right now let me just, okay, these videos I'm putting them online just for future, cause like yesterday I was seeing my other video when I didn't even have curtains for kitchen. Like I was telling myself, yeah, you really tried, even if you haven't reached to the point that you want to be, but you have really tried. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this small video, and I'll be also showing you a new video coming week on where to buy affordable things in Kamukunji. So in case you're interested, please subscribe and subscribe for more. Let me get to showcase you my whole entire house, and apart from the bedroom, because the bedroom full of privacy and secondly, I don't think I'm in a position to show you my bedroom at the moment. Until that time I will be able. And still guys, let me not forget, there's some things that I'm selling, house furniture, so in case you'll be interested, it's okay. And some others maybe I might decide to sell, or I might decide to give out for free, depending on how I'll wake up next week, either in a good mood but yeah, hopefully if I will be asked, I wish I could get to give out, but if not, I'll sell them at a very affordable, not even affordable, at a very cheap price. So keep watching this video. Yep, and guys, welcome. We have a black carpet, and I would advise you, as you can see, there are a lot of small particles. Small particles. Like you guys, I would like to advise you, never take a black carpet, because it's even worse than a white carpet. That's an advice from me, because if you can check, there are plenty of small particles. I don't know why, and somebody please don't get to mind about my kucha. Ilingoka subwe, unfortunately, by mistake. Yeah, on this side we have the curtains, which I bought in Italy. I also have a video on my other channel, but please, I'll be showing you also where to buy affordable curtains in Italy. I'm sorry if the place is so loudy. It's so noisy because there's those kids that are playing outside. And you guys, this sheer is not for this curtain. It's because I had changed the theme of the house from this creamish to orange, yeah, which went very well with this one. It went very well. Unfortunately, I had to wash the curtains again, but these ones are the best. They are the best. On this side we have the home theater. Nothing much about it. And guys, I'll be selling this set at 1500. The TV stand, I'll be selling it at 1500 or just 1000 bob, maybe when we get to talk, or else I'll give it at a free price if I get to wake up in a very good mood that day. When somebody will get to ask me, are you still selling it? Yeah, we will see. On the other side, it's just the TV, blah 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 blah, nothing much. About the couch, it was customized since we had another couch, a 3-seater, but we decided to customize it. Right now I feel like I really need maybe to change the seat. I don't know why. Simply because I need to change the whole theme of the house. Maybe the seats to come to this side, the television to be on that side, and I need a small dining table on that side. I've been saying like that, but as I said, I won't be rushing myself on anything. No. You all remember these? Yeah, it was in my kitchen, but unfortunately I had to remove it from my kitchen, because since my kitchen is full right now, And also this category, actually I'll be giving it out for free. And here are some of the things that I'm supposed to use at my workplace, because I'm opening a new job. Blah blah, nothing much. Nothing much. That's all about it. Okay, let's get to go straight to the washroom, of which down here we have the toiletries and also some of my things like oil. Yeah, I know some of you are going to ask me why I get to put them there. It's because as zingine I get kumwagika in bedroom and it doesn't look so pleasant. Yeah, on that side, nothing much. The low, nothing much about it. And you guys remember this card thing? You all remember this? It was from House of Leather at 100 bob. And this one, this flower, I bought it at 250 in Stage Market, if I can remember. Yeah, I bought it in Stage Market. That's all. Like, that's all. Nothing much about that. That's all. Yep. Wow. And my mirror, it's so dirty. It's because of dust. But I rarely use this mirror, not unless I'm brushing, of which I don't get to look at myself when I'm brushing. Let's get to the kitchen. Okay, on the kitchen, nothing much about it. Yeah, we have the fridge over here. Nothing much about it. And I just bought most of the things from Kamukonji and some from supermarket, of which that's another video for another day, not today. So a tissue holder, dish rack, and you guys, you can all remember that I bought this one last year and I told you I'm going to give out a review. You can still see the shape of it. It's still in a very good way. I really need to organize there. I don't know why it looks so messy. Yeah, this curtain I bought it in Italy at around 1500, of which when you get to check the 1500 one along your local place, you're going to see it from here up to somewhere here, if I'm not mistaken. Like, they are so small. They're so small, but this one, it's so big or spacious enough from that side all the way. You can see on this side we have a vegetable rack, of which I haven't been able to go and do some shopping for for vegetables. Okay, last weekend I wasn't around. Nothing much that's going over here. Yeah, nothing much. So guys, that's all I think. Yeah, that's all. So please make sure you get to subscribe so that you can get to watch my other video. You can also, so that you can be notified whenever I get to post a new video. And you guys, I know that I promised I'll be giving out one video each and every week, but unfortunately running to account, it's so hectic. And okay, it's not that it's so hectic, it's so hard. It's so hard. Like, I don't know, being a content creator and also you're working maybe on other things like YouTube. It's not my full-time job, it's just a part-time job. Whenever I get to feel like, yeah, I need to vlog, or yeah, I need to do something on vlogging, that's when I get to vlog. But I promise to keep my consistency. So help me to reach to 100 subscribers as much as you can. Get to share my videos. Yep. And with all that, let me just get to say thank you so much for watching, and let me get to see you on my other video, whereby I'll be telling you where you can you can get to buy affordable utensils in Kamukonji. Since I'm doing another video right now, like, yeah, I decided like today let me just get to do 2 videos. So right now I just did a very simple video, and on my other one I'll be telling you where, especially the shops, the buildings, where to buy affordable shoes in Kamukonji. So if you're trying to start a small business and or an online business, please, you need to watch my next video. You need to. So yeah, with all that, let me just get to say goodbye. Bye.